Hi cuties! Welcome back to Drawing Dexterity! Today we are diving into a special kind of drawing. A cute character, Sadness, who is in deep emotions and feelings. Sadness has her own emotions and beauty. So let's dive into our drawing. Let's open the tip and let's start with Sadness's face. So we're going to start from right over here. And we're going to continue. You guys probably know that Sadness wears glasses, so that's why I didn't connected these lines, because then the frame of the glasses would go, it's gonna go wrong. So I'm sorry. Let's make her hair. Okay, now let's make Sadness's mouth. So cute and adorable. Now let's make Sadness's glasses. So we're gonna start from here. Now let's make Sadness's eyes. So we're gonna make something like that and a circle inside it. And we're going to draw eyelashes. And some tears because she's like about to cry. So the tears are collecting in that area. I like that her glasses is coming off her face. I mean, it looks so realistic and adorable. So let's continue. And now let's make Sadness's eyes. Some tears. Her eyeball. Eyelashes, and that's her eyes. That's her face. Okay, now let's make her, she has like a thing on her neck. I think it's connected with her shirt or what. I don't know, but let's make it. Okay, now let's make her dress. So we're gonna start right over here, and we're gonna make her shoes. Okay, and also you're going to draw her lines, like lines over here, so it looks like her pants are connected. Okay, now let's draw her arm. Or should we complete this side? I think we should complete this side. It's gonna look more better. Okay, now let's draw her arms. And let's draw fingers. So cute. And also on this side, we're gonna make it right over here. Okay, that looks so cute, but I want to add a little bit changes. So we're going to draw shoes, like actual shoes. And we're gonna color them in. And also flowers. So I'm going to draw a flower right over here. And now we're gonna make its petals. So it makes it a different type of look. And let's make one over here. And let's make one over here. So adorable. Our sadness is completed. If you guys want me to make joy, hit the subscribe button. If you want me to make anger, comment down below. And if you want me to make fear, like this video. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.